the world silver medalist from last summer.
On the javelin runway for Pakistan, the World Championship silver medalist Arshad Nadeem, one of the 90-metre throwers.
Arshad Nadeem. That's better. It's huge. It's a great throw, and it will surely be a new Olympic record. Well, what a change in terms of demeanour. He could barely complete his run-up on the first throw, and that is massive from Arshad Nadeem. 92 metres 97. Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan, a huge throw in the second round to take the lead.
He's super tight with Nadeem. They are very good friends, so you know he's gonna hopefully react and get one out there as well.
He's going to need to if he wants to retain his title here in Paris. The reigning Olympic champion needs something huge, and that won't be it.
Looking at that, but for him to be nodding at the crowd, he's there, he's on, he's pumped. You can see the focus. I love that. The snap he had looked good. He just needed a little bit more strength behind it.
You can see our medalists with their flags hung around their shoulders, gathering for the photos. That's your podium here in Paris.
A lot of camaraderie there. Spent a lot of time